Hey y'all, it's me Tiffany. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the new year. I am sharing here on YouTube. I love you guys. If you're not following me already, make sure you guys are following me at DIVATEEDIVATEE. Okay, here is the first glimpse of this wig. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure that y'all stay tuned to this video, okay? If you are a new subscriber, hey there. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you are a continuing watcher of me, hey there. Mwah. All right? So, let's get into this video. Hey, you guys. It is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be a wig video, from SHEIN, you guys, from SHEIN beauty stores. This wig is called MegaLook, okay? When you're on shein.com, SHEIN does have some beauty supply stores that are on their website. And this particular hair was purchased from SHEIN. So let me show you guys the box. I did open this box, so it's kind of open and busted, okay? But we're gonna try on this wig, okay? This is the wig in the packaging. So you get the wig in the packaging. This pretty pouch, okay? You get this pretty pouch, and what's inside of this pouch is you get 2 wig caps, you get your edge brush or eyebrow brush, edge brush, you get some eyelashes, which we love. Let me show you the lashes. Oh, those are pretty. So you get some lashes. I'm assuming this looks like some sort of elastic, or so you can lay your wig down when you're trying to melt the lace. This is the wig. It is 20 inches. It is super curly. It looks really full. I have not taken all the guts out of it. So this is the hair. Get into those curls and waves. Okay. This is the MegaLook 20-inch Jerry Curly wig, okay? It is natural wave, 150 density, and it is 20 inches long. Okay? That is pretty. And look at the lace. So it's a 6x6. I guess the lace in the parting space. Let's see. 6x6. It does have the elastic band in the back. But look at the parting on that. And it does have combs right here. It has 1 comb in the back. You have this elastic band that you can adjust. So it has an adjustable band. 1 comb at the back, and that's it. Okay, so this is the inside of the wig, and we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put the wig cap on and show you guys. But this hair is pretty. But this is how it is constructed. Okay, so we're gonna put it on me. So I did put my stocking cap on, one of the ones that was sent in the package. And inquiring mind just wants to know how the wig is gonna look before I start putting makeup on it. And I think I'm gonna bond it down so it can stay on my head. But I will have the link down below. I just want to see how it looks. Now, give me a second. Bear with me. It is really pretty. It's really soft. Like it is. It just is. Let me scoot it back on my forehead space because that will help. Last time I had a curly wig like this, I did wear it to the side. Let's see how the side part. I don't know. This one, I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's see what the parting space is. I don't see no parting space, baby. I don't see no parting space. It is a 6x6 part right here. So let me see. I gotta get adjusted, like. I gotta get adjusted. I'm not sure. Do I like her? Yeah, I just have to get it where my forehead is supposed to be. So I am gonna bond this down because I know that if I don't, it's gonna be slipping and sliding. Slip and slide, take it to the house. That's what it's gonna be doing. But it is really, really pretty. I like it. Let me get my mirror so I can see myself for real, for real. I like it because it's long. I like the hair because it's long. The part is giving. Okay. It's really, really cute. But yeah, it's only so much parting space. I am going to put a little makeup on it because I'm gonna wear makeup today. And then I'm going to bond it down with the blow dryer, okay? Yes, I am. But out of the pack, it's super, super pretty. Very much curly. Okay, let me stop playing with it now and let's get the final look. I'm gonna put some makeup on here. Got some makeup. Just going to, I don't even know if I should take off this band, but I'm gonna leave it. Just put in a little makeup right here. I really don't have to do it that wide right here because the parting space on that wig is not that big. So, but we just trying to, you know, put it into place. The wig is cute. I need to just put my makeup on. Okay, y'all, so I have the wig in my desired place where I want it to stay. It's not sliding back. I put some wig adhesive on the wig so it won't be sliding back, okay? It looks really, really cute. And I usually don't be wanting middle parts, but this one is fine. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and show you guys the finished product of the wig. It's pretty. Now, I ain't no wigologist, but I know how to do a little something, something with hair and wigs. A little bit. Look, I think I know what I'm doing. And you can make baby hairs if you want, but I ain't making no baby hair. I am not doing baby hairs. Again, I don't be needing no baby hairs like that. Comment down below if you like a lot of baby hairs on your wig. It's not humpy because what I did with the blow dryer was this. Flattened it out. And don't be talking about my dusty blow dryer. It's dusty. It's been with me for a long time. And I don't know how to get the dust out. And I ain't bought no new blow dryer. So let me finish my makeup, okay? And then we gonna get to the rest of the process of how I look. I should have did my makeup before I put my wig on, but it is what it is. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put on these lashes that they have in the pack. Let's just see how they look. Okay, hey y'all, I had to take the wig off and put the wig right back on. It is very, very pretty. I'm gonna hurry up and get this video out to y'all so y'all can click the link and get it. It's super cute, it's affordable, it's bomb, and I absolutely love it. Look at it, girls. Look at the curls. They are super, super cute. I like this. Okay, I had to cut more lace off because I did see a line of demarcation. It probably still is there, but I'm like, and I don't have no baby hairs to like cover that. I think that's why a lot of women love the baby hairs, because that line of demarcation, they don't want that. You know what I'm saying? Like I showed you guys all the steps that I took to put this wig on. It is pre-plucked. That's what I will say. It is pre-plucked. So the hairline is not so thick. And I do, like, if y'all see it look ashy at the front, it's because that's makeup and powder. I have makeup and powder on it. But the wig is eating on down. It's real cute. It's real cute. Look how I like the length that it lays on my shoulders. Now this length I like, and this length is, let me get it right for y'all, because it's bomb. And the first wig I laid on my head in 2026, y'all. I love it. Okay, I'm so happy. Today is Dollop Saturday anyways. Okay, I'm so happy I got up, did my makeup, because it's Dollop Saturday. Like, come on now, I'm happy. Come on, Tiffany, get it together. This wig is hella hot, it's hella cute, and baby, I'm gonna be wearing it. Okay, I'm gonna be wearing it. It looks hot. But let me get y'all the deets. I mean, I told y'all pretty much about the wig. So it is from MegaLook. It's 20 inches Jerry curl wig. It's a Jerry curl wig, y'all, and it is S natural, 20 inches long, 150 density, and it's a 6x6 part. So I mean, I think you're limited on the parting space, so you could either like tilt the wig to the side to make it a side part, because as I go through this hair, I'm not seeing where I could do anything else with it. It's just black. So it's just black hair and tracks and weave tracks. So it's really pretty. Like I didn't even put conditioner on it to make it wet, and it's just pretty as is. Like, it's real cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the look. Okay, I really do like this hair. So I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. It's nothing more else I can tell y'all. Like, and I'm not a professional at putting on wigs. All I did was use the adhesive, the wig adhesive, and it came with its wig cap. I have the wig cap on, and I put my hair in a braid. Like, my hair is just in a braid. It's not even braided down flat. Like, it's literally an afro under here. Okay, and I put one braid in my hair. But look, this is how the parting space looks, and it's really cute to throw on. It is a look. Okay, so I'm about to do me a plus size fashion haul from SHEIN, and y'all gonna see how the hair is looking, how it's laid, and how it's performing. Okay, yes y'all, happy new year. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.